There's a damn chainsaw over there. It's revving up. Can you hear it? Hear that chainsaw? Getting ready to cut some trees down. And those are some really big trees. Or is that a boat motor? I don't know. I can't tell. It might be a boat motor. Or maybe it's a weed whacker.